Chiropractic adjustments can help alleviate knee pain in specific situations, such as a misalignment of your fibula or your tibia. Sometimes, frequently, I shouldn't even say sometimes, but frequently, I have people come into my office that have like infrapatellar tendonitis pain, which is pain right into the front of the knee, coming underneath the kneecap. What that is caused by normally is a severe tightness of the quads, which will pull back your tib fib, and it'll cause a lot of tension onto the infrapatellar tendon.